Hello everybody! Today let's talk about weather instruments. This page here I printed out for the love of homeschooling.com, and there's lots of free downloads. This one is one of the free ones. So we'll look at the weather instruments first. There are actually a few different ones. So weather instruments, some of which are hundreds of years old, have been modified to digital technology and are still in use today. So the first one we have here is the thermometer. It measures the temperature of the air. The next one we have here is an anemometer. It measures the wind speed. Then we have a barometer, measures the air pressure. The rain gauge measures the volume of rainfall in an area. This is particularly important for farmers. So they need to know how much rain has fallen in order to know how much they need to water their crops. Then we have a weather vane. It shows the direction the wind is coming from. I'm sure you have seen some houses that have this right on the very, very top of a little tower there. Weather instruments. So Galileo Galilei invented a water thermometer in 1593. In 1714, Gabriel Fahrenheit invented the first mercury thermometer, the modern thermometer. Anders Celsius, he was regarded as the founder of Swedish astronomy, is best remembered as the inventor of the Celsius temperature scale, in which 0 degrees is the freezing point of water and 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point. It was invented in 1742. Some countries use Fahrenheit to tell the temperature. Others use Celsius. In science, they use Kelvin because it is the most accurate way of measurement. Temperature plays a crucial role in medical care, both humans and animals, food, beverage, and agriculture. Our overall health is often reliant upon temperature in many ways as well. Maintaining proper temperature levels in medical cold storage areas is critical. We need to know the temperature to keep healthy. We need to know our body temperature to know when we are sick and should stay home, to rest and drink more. We need to know which temperature to keep our food at to keep it fresh. If it goes rotten, we get sick. We need to know the outside temperature to dress our bodies the right way, to be comfortable, to not be hot or too cold. So there are lots of reasons why we kind of need to know the weather and the temperature. Pilots, for example, rely on some of the wind speed and wind direction. Farmers rely on the rain gauge to see how much additionally they have to water their crops. And generally, when you watch the weather on the news, they use tools like the thermometer and the barometer to also tell you about the weather and to see how the future weather will be. So here we just wrote down a few things that need to be kept cool in the freezer, like frozen chicken nuggets or something, and ice cream. And then room temperature could be maybe some grapes. And then we have some hot items here, like hot soup and hot coffee. This is hot here where the fire is, and this is some baked creation by my son Ben, which is also hot and baked. So we just need to remember that a thermometer measures temperature. These ones are the different weather instruments. You can pick one of these and research about it, learn about it, who invented it, how is it used, and where is it used? In which occupation do they need to use each weather instrument? Don't forget to make some colorful drawings to explain and to teach others about your weather instrument. Well, you have fun with this project and I will see you in the next video. Bye!